Hello and adventurers, and welcome to the club. Yeah. By looking at my table here, you can imagine this video is about flashlights. You know, the one where you press the button and the light comes on, which this one has a bit of a flaky button already. And yeah, this is actually what this video is all about. I want to show you how to still use, in emergency, such a flashlight. You know, every kind with the button on the back. If the button breaks, and they break. I had this problem multiple times, and so let me show you how they actually work. You can screw it, and we have here the button. The only thing this button does is he makes contact between the outer housing and this little spring. So what we have to do is we just short these contacts together, middle to side. This works with every flashlight of this type, like with this one. Yeah, and this is actually the trick behind it. So what you have to do is you have to somehow manage to short those poles together. Sometimes you can just take the battery holder out and bend this metal ledge to the side so it touches. And if this is not possible, you can use some aluminium foil, or you know, this paper that used to come in cigarette packs. That's conductive. You just shove it in here and close it. You can also try just to bend this little spring part so it touches both sides, like this, to the side, and then you forcefully screw it on, but obviously this damages the lamp. But yeah, in a pinch, this will allow you to run your flashlight. And the good thing is you can even do this, you know, try it blindfolded, you know. Just do it in the dark, and they are all the same thing. A side part and the middle part. You could, in a pinch, bend this to the side and still force the cap on, but best is just to take the battery holder. It has one side that touches the battery, and one side that is just held in place with a little dot of melted plastic. You can just snap this dot off and bend this part here to the side so it touches the side wall of the flashlight. And then it will be permanently on. Obviously not ideal to save batteries, but you still can remove the cap and turn it off. But you know, in a pinch, if your only flashlight has failed and you have to see what you're doing, this is how you can do it. Yeah, it's a bit of an easy video. Quick and dirty, and you know, like if I light it this way, this table looks always dirty. Yeah, this is how you can make them all work again in a pinch. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time here at the Adventurers Club.